All right, just want to walk you through some instructions on what I'm looking for if you choose option 1 for today's lessons. Option 1, you have the opportunity to conduct an experiment at home. These are household common items. If you don't have these, do not go to the store to go get them. I would suggest that you choose option 2, okay? But trust me when I say that I try to keep it as common items as possible. So for this activity, you would need a container that is at least 9.5 inches long. You'll need some water to fill in that container. You're going to need a flashlight. White paper, they show this real big poster board. You really don't need it to be that large. If you have a wall that's painted white at home, you can use that. And then you need some milk. And so then you're going to, if you scroll down a little bit further here, follow the 3 steps in the protocol. It's really, really simple. Okay, so make sure you go in order. And then it references some figures. The figures that are not on that first page are down here on the second. So please make sure that you keep scrolling. That way you can see some picture representations of what it is that I'm asking you to do. After you've done that, there is a Google Doc for you. It's pretty short, to be honest with you. Here's a little bit of information, background information that helps you to put this into context, see the science behind it, explain a little bit more to make the tie-ins to what we had studied in the past. 4 questions, that's it. If you are not sure you're doing what the lab is asking, there is a video here to help you, okay? They go through the lab activity as well. So like I said, if you're not sure if that's what you're needing, that will help you to see the setup, see someone else do the activity as well. All right, so good luck. Remember, don't spend forever on this. I'm looking at 30 minutes a day, guys. I'm not trying to keep you all day trying to do assignments and activities, okay? So please make sure that you use the office hours if you need to. I'm here for you, and I look forward